potential breakdown setup for AllState Corporation, a company in the property and casualty insurance sector. And here we are off a neckline, head and shoulder looking top here off the 240-minute interval, each kind of representing 4 hours here. And this is what I see here. I see this shoulder, double shoulder, followed by a head and shoulder, another shoulder here, and a breakdown right below its neckline here, with plenty of continuous reactionary highs and reactionary lows help validate this neckline. And we have effectively broke down, bounced off this 117.74 price support, which will coincide with the daily intervals hidden primary trend line. And we came in back tested 2 4-hour intervals in a row here, providing an aggressive short trade setup here off the coinciding with the 382 fib retracement to reestablish and gain down to that 117.74 price support if it happens. Again, providing an objective short trade setup, but really would down for a 3.2% potential 3.2% drop, T2 to 115.52 for a 4.9% drop, down to my 111.49 price support for 8.4% drop, down to the 106 0% retracement for a 12.3% drop. We have negative and bearish divergences really constructed in all three indicators, with a snap breakdown below both the oscillator and MACD below their zero lines. So definitely a potential for some next move, really skewed to the downside, especially this break of this 236 fib retracement, especially if you're looking to go long, especially off that hidden primary daily interval, primary trend line. You want to say definitely keep some stops below that 115.52. Once that coincides, which also coincides with the 236 fib retracement level, once that goes, that's when things will start to become pretty bearish, in my opinion. And this hidden bearish head and shoulder top will probably start to play out the way I suspect. And here we are, zoomed out, bigger picture here of the daily interval. Right there, that 117.74 price support that I had mentioned. Hey, if you're bullish, now's the time to buy. If you're an aggressive short trade seller, now's the time to start to come in and look for a breakdown below. If you're a patient short seller, wait for a break below that 117.74 price support, coincide with this primary uptrend line off the COVID crash lows for a daily solid close, daily red candle solid close will enact a sell signal, in my opinion, off this big divergent high, with negative and bearish divergences that have really constructed and established themselves going all the way back of January 2021. Of mid-May of 2021. That these divergences have really established going all the way back since then, which is really bearish. And I like to say, the bigger the divergences, usually the bigger the drops, the bigger the crashes. And we do have near-term negative and bearish divergences, really steep divergences here, with already crossovers on both the MACD and oscillator, gunned down and sinking down below the zero lines. So again, huge inflection point here for AllState Corporation, in my opinion. And whether you're long, whether you're waiting for that breakdown to come, or starting to scale in on this short trade setup, now's the key pivotal inflection point, in my opinion. And what's really going to help the bearish case scenario too is on a beautiful breakdown below this 117.74. You'll also coincide with having this beautiful overarching crossover here on the 50-day moving average, puncturing the 200-day moving average, and a death cross bearish continuation pattern. So again, just building more evidence and more check marks for the bearish case scenario, and we'll see what happens. Anything's possible. And if I see any significant and or developments come up on the charts, I'll let you know. I'll keep you updated. Hit the like, subscribe button on your way out if you enjoyed the video.